For the melt the ice hat, you're doing a 1x1 rib. So you want to do a cast on that matches the 1x1 rib. This is an example of a 1x1 rib cast on. The unique part of this cast on is that it makes the stitches look like they're just coming right out from the binding. So it looks really, really pretty. In my example, I'm using 2 strands of a lightweight yarn to get the right weight for this project. The way you're going to start a 1x1 rib stitch is to begin by tying a slip knot. So we're just going to cross the ends over each other and reach down and pull up the loose end, and that will create a slip knot. Then you're going to slide your slip knot onto your knitting needle, and we're working with the yarn that is going to the source of your yarn, not the loose end. The first stitch is created by simply knitting into your slip knot. So this first one I'm going to do, I'm just going to put my knitting needle into the front leg of this slip knot. Using my working end, I'm going to form a regular knit stitch. Once I form that, I'm going to pull that loop up a little bit and then slide that onto my left needle. And now I have 2 stitches on my needle. The next, we're going to do, this is a cable cast on, but we're going to do it alternating between knit and purl. So you want to work in between these 2 stitches, not into the leg of the stitch, but right in between. So we've just done a knit stitch, so our next needs to be a purl stitch. In doing a purl stitch, you want to make sure that your yarn is in the front and you're just going behind and coming up between these 2 stitches right here. So see how I've just come up right between those 2 stitches? And I'm going to take my yarn, wrap it over the needle, and form a purl stitch. And I'm gonna pull that out and slip that onto my knitting needle. Now I have a knit stitch and a purl stitch. And my yarn is coming off the front of my needle. So I know that I just did a purl and I need to do a knit stitch next. So I'm going back in between these 2 stitches, sliding my needle right through the 2 stitches. Whoops, looks like I caught a little bit of the other stitch. I just want to go right in between those 2 stitches and form a knit stitch. And then I'll put that onto the needle. Give it a little tightening, not a lot. And now I'm going to come up from behind to form my purl stitch. Form my purl stitch. Put that on. Give it a little tightening. Then we'll do the knit stitch. Pull that up a little bit, slide that onto my needle, give it a little tightening. Now we're going to come from the back and put a purl stitch on. And you'll continue alternating just like this, a knit stitch, a purl stitch, a knit stitch, until you have the right number of stitches on your needles to begin knitting your hat. That is an alternate 1x1 rib stitch cast on.